Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about NEET syllabus 2024 biology, chemistry, physics, NEET syllabus and chapter wise weightage. NEET syllabus PDF is provided on the NMC official website for NEET UG. The official NTA NEET information bulletin provides the link for checking the syllabus at NMC website but does not explicitly state the syllabus in detail. NEET syllabus is divided into three subjects: physics, chemistry, and biology. Syllabus under biology is further divided into botany and zoology syllabus for NEET. Let's check what are the chapters of NEET syllabus 2024. Here are a total of 97 chapters or topics in NEET syllabus for biology, chemistry, and physics. These 97 chapters are divided into 59 units as tabulated below. For the NEET chemistry syllabus, 14 chapters are from class 11th, 16 chapters are from class 12th. For the physics NEET syllabus, 10 chapters are from class 11th, 9 chapters are from class 12th. For the biology NEET syllabus, 5 chapters are from class 11th, 5 chapters are from class 12th. Let's check the NEET marks distribution 2024. The question paper comprises 200 MCQs, out of which you need to attempt only 180. NEET 2024 total marks are 720 as each question is worth 4 marks. In NEET Physics, Section A will carry a weightage of 140 marks containing 35 number of questions, whereas Section B will having a weightage of 40 marks containing 15 number of questions. In NEET Chemistry, Section A will having a weightage of 140 marks containing 35 number of questions. In Section B will having a weightage of 40 marks containing 15 number of questions. In NEET Biology, Botany, Section A will having a weightage of 140 marks containing 35 number of questions, whereas in Zoology, Section A will having a weightage of 140 marks and containing 35 number of questions, whereas in Section B in Botany and Zoology will having a weightage of 40 marks and containing 15 number of questions. Let's check the Biology NEET syllabus 2024. Class 11 chapters are Diversity in Living World, Structural Organization in Animals and Plants, Human Physiology, Biology and Human Welfare, Plant Physiology. Chapters of Class 12 are Reproduction, Cell Structure and Function, Ecology and Environment, Genetics and Evolution, Biotechnology and its applications. Let's check the Zoology syllabus for NEET 2024. Class 11 chapters are Animal Kingdom, Structural Organization in Animals, Biomolecules, Digestion and Absorption, Breathing and Exchange of Gases, Body Fluids and Circulation, Excretory Products and their Elimination, Locomotion and Movement, Neural Control and Coordination, Chemical Coordination and Integration. Chapters of Class 12 are Human Reproduction, Reproductive Health, Evolution, Human Health and Disease, Biotechnology Principle and Processes, Biotechnology and its applications. Let's check the Botany syllabus for NEET 2024. Chapters of Botany syllabus are Microbes in Human Welfare, Organisms and Populations, Ecosystem, Biodiversity and Conservation, Environmental Issues, the Living World, Cell Cycle and Cell Division, Transport in Plants, Mineral Nutrition, Photosynthesis in higher plants, Respiration in plants, Plant growth and development, Biological classification, Plant kingdom, Morphology of flowering plants, Anatomy of flowering plants, Cell, the unit of life, Reproduction in organisms, Sexual reproduction in flowering plants, Principles of inheritance and variation, Molecular basic of inheritance, Strategies of enhancement in food production. Let's check the Physics NEET syllabus 2024. For the class 11th, the chapters are Kinematics, Oscillations and Waves, Laws of Motion, Gravitation, Properties of Bulk Matter. For class 12th, Current, Electricity, Magnetic effects of current and magnetism, Electronic devices, Electromagnetic waves, Atoms and nuclei. For class 11th, Thermodynamics, Physical world and measurement, motion of system and practicals and rigid body, behavior of perfect gas and kinetic energy, work, energy and power. Physics class 12 chapters are dual nature of matter and radiation, optics, electrostatics, electromagnetic induction and alternating currents. Let's check the chemistry needs syllabus 2024. For the class 11 chapters are some basic concept of chemistry, structure of atom, classification of element and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure, states of matter, gases and liquids, equilibrium, redox reaction, hydrogen. Class 12 chapters are solid state solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, general principles and process of isolation of elements, P block element, D and F block elements. Class 11th chemistry chapters are S block elements, alkali and alkaline, earth metal, some P block elements, organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, hydrocarbons, environmental chemistry. Class 12th chemistry chapters are coordination compounds, haloalkenes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, organic compounds containing nitrogen, biomolecules, polymers, chemistry in everyday life. Let's check the chemistry needs syllabus topic wise weightage. In inorganic chemistry, chapters are chemical bonding will carry a weightage of 5 to 6 questions. S block will carry a weightage of 2 to 3 questions. P block will carry a weightage of 4 to 5 questions. D and F block will carry a weightage of 2 to 3 questions. Organic chemistry chapters are some basic principles and techniques will carry a weightage of 1 to 2 questions. Hydrocarbons will carry a weightage of 4 to 6 questions. Haloalkanes and haloarenes will carry a weightage of 2 to 4 questions. Alcohol, phenol and ether will carry a weightage of 1 to 3 questions. In physical chemistry NEET, chapters are solid state will carry a weightage of 2 number of questions, states of matter will carry a weightage of 2 number of questions, thermodynamics and surface chemistry will carry a weightage of 1 number of questions. Electrochemistry will carry a weightage of 2 number of questions. Solutions chemical kinetics will carry a weightage of 2 number of questions. Nuclear chemistry mole concept, atomic structure, ionic equilibrium will carry a weightage of 1 number of questions. Let's check the NEET syllabus books 2024. In chemistry NEET syllabus books, the physical chemistry by O.P. Tandon, organic chemistry by Jonathan Caledon, Nick Greaves, organic chemistry by Morrison and Boyd, inorganic chemistry by J.D. Lee, NCERT chemistry for class 11th and 12th. In physics NEET syllabus books, Concept of Physics by H.C. Verma, Fundamentals of Physics by Halliday, Resnick and Walker, Complete NEET Guide by MTG Editorial, Objective Physics by D.C. Pandey, NCERT Physics for class 11th and 12th. Biology NEET syllabus books are Biology classes 11th and 12th by Pradeep Publication, Objective Biology by G.R. Batla, Class Book for Botany by A.C. Datta, Elementary Biology by Truman, NCERT Biology for class 11th and 12th. Now let's discuss how to complete NEET syllabus in 30 days. Completing NEET syllabus in 30 days is extremely difficult given the vast number of topics. To prepare for NEET in 1 month, you need to follow some of the tips mentioned below. Study regularly for not less than 13 to 14 hours. Do not go for completing the full NEET syllabus. Focus on covering NEET syllabus as per the chapter-wise weightage. There are plenty of NEET books available in the market, but time does not permit you to refer to too many reference books and study material. As per expert opinion, focus on completing NCERT books. Devote 50% time to studying NEET biology syllabus as it has the maximum weightage in the last week. Solve previous year question papers and mock tests. Let's check the NEET syllabus chapter-wise weightage. Biology in 2022 and 2021. Cell cycle and cell division carried a weightage of 4 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 7 number of questions. Digestion and absorption carried a weightage of 2 number of questions in 2021 and 2022. Locomotion and movement carried a weightage of 2 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 4 number of questions. In photosynthesis in higher plants carried a weightage of 3 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 4 number of questions. Let's check the NEET syllabus chapter wise weightage physics in 2021 and 2022. Units and measurement carried a weightage of 4 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 3 number of questions. Alternating current carried a weightage of 2 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 3 number of questions. Current electricity carried a weightage of 5 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 4 number of questions. In electrostatic potential and capacitance carried a weightage of 3 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 6 number of questions. Let's check the NEET syllabus chapter wise weightage in chemistry 2021 and 2022. Hydrocarbons carried a weightage of 3 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 3 number of questions. The P block element carried a weightage of 2 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 5 number of questions. The S block element carried a weightage of 2 number of questions in 2021 and 2022. In aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid carried a weightage of 4 number of questions in 2022, whereas in 2021 carried a weightage of 3 number of questions. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.